coming up to Clarabella's birthday time, and she wants a bike. Now, Clarabella's mom has a very old bike. The only problem is it's been sat out for quite some time, so we're going to have a go at restoring it.
There, you did it!
First thing off. Right, well, I don't think that one can be salvaged. No, it's definitely not up there. So trying to keep track of everything that's going in to here. Oh, it's coming bit by bit. Back spring holder. Brake. Wheels come off pretty easy, complete with vegetation.
Yes.
Oh, tad tight.
It's
a bit more lubrication. Dismantling is a quick bit. We've got it moving. Keeping the pressure on. One side done. Woo. Do the same for the other. If they all came off like that, it'd be done by now. So actually, oh, maybe not. Damn it, I thought I was going to be able to get away with that. Restoring that one as well, but no. Sun damaged plastic. The 58 years of use have seen it not very good state. Oil. Loads and loads of release. Onward. Good shit. Got you. Yes. It's 7 in the morning and I'm on the way to a place called ST Electroplate in a place called Yate, which is just outside of Bath, Bristol area. This is to see if I can get a price for the chrome plating. So this is the next step. So we've got the wheels, got all the chromey bits, the crank, the stem, the handlebars, all that kind of stuff. And so now I need to get those shot blasted, get them shot blasted, nicely cleaned up, and then we can get them back. It's going to take ages though. It's going to take about 8 weeks, I reckon. So hopefully we can get them back in time to be able to do the rebuild for Christmas. By the way, sorry it's so dark. It's Britain. I'm here, get the gear in, see what they can do. I'm a little bit early actually, so I hope they're going to see me. Hello there.
alright.
The
door's the wrong way for getting in the building.
Right, and reception down.
Yeah.
Lovely, thanks a lot. So, here inside of ST Chrome, and we've got all of the bits now split out. So, this section is all the ones to be chromed, this and this. And then these bits here are to be zinced. And then, yeah, got to leave it with them and see how long it's going to take. There we go. Sorted. That's grand. I feel like we've made some real progress and we're on the way with this bike now.
Later this afternoon.
So now just got to crack on back to work.
Same adjusted width.
And then and then crack on back down to Cornwall, keep it all quiet. So back here again, S&T Chrome. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and 2 more parts for the bike. So brought them over. Unfortunately, they can fit it into the schedule and catch up with the other things. So still on track for getting it done by Christmas. Fingers crossed. I've been told the parts are ready, so I'm now winging my way up to Yate. Or rather, will be in a minute. Get my gear on, and then go and collect all the nicely chromed parts to put the bike back together. Back at S&T Chrome. Let's go and have a look what they've done.
Yeah, got chrome here, bag of zinc there, and that's just all the
Spares and bits.
spares and bits, yeah.
Nice. Thank you very much. That is awesome. I mean, look at the finish on those, that's awesome. Quite excited to get it back together again now. So in here we've got a combination of chrome stuff and then zinc stuff. Stuff that just as it is, and piece it back together kind of stuff. Exciting. Bit of an update on where we are. We have all the parts back from the chromers and it's looking absolutely beautiful. We've got the frame back from the powder coaters and this is looking glorious. Get this into the light. Look at the finish on this. It's absolutely mint. It's like new. So yesterday I had a bit of a play and managed to get the forks fitted. It was a bit of a bugger trying to get the bearings in place. Right then, onward. We've got the shafts and I bought some new ball bearing brace set. Want it on the right hand side, that side. So that's going to go in that way. Okay, that's going to go in that way, which means big cog is going to go on that side. Get used to fit. Come on. I don't want to cross thread this because I'd be buggered. Slowly, slowly, catch your monkey. Got a bit of powder coating here that shouldn't be, or what? I'm going to try the other side. Look at that piece of beauty. After re-chroming, is the one that's going to be the pedal side. There we go. Come on. I bought these ball races. Take the ball race through and then drop it back in through. Slightly longer this side is going to be the pedal side. So I think I'm going to put it in and then look to put the cog back on place. Bit of grease. In fact, I'm going to dunk that in so it's got a good coating. Still makes it a bit tricky with some of these chrome parts going back in because the threads are a bit coated as well. Right. Mind you, this is going in nicely now. Oh, that's because I'm going the wrong way again. It's a reverse thread, Richie Rich. Oh. Right. That's good, that's good, that's good. Wow, that's better. I put the brakes on yesterday and realised last night that I'd forgot the mudguards. So I found those this morning, disassembled the brakes, put those back together. Now it's a case of putting those back in place and bolting them in. So that's what I'm going to do just now. Ooh, come on, fingers, work with me, they're too cold. Getting down the parts now. Awesome. Okie dokie, karaoke, I think I'm ready for some wheels. It's getting a bit bloody exciting. Okay, let's get the front one in, that's the easiest. Oh, look at that beauty. White wall tyres. Of course, it makes you go a lot faster. Ah, yes. The wheel starts to wobble. I never did it correctly, and it doesn't, and it's super straight. These rims are brand new, and so I'm mixing brand new with old school. So some of it's going to be a bit engineer as you go sort of thing. Oh, look at that beauty. Man, that's good. Right, let's get those tightened up. I think it's just jolly well got it.
Tight fit, you do it forwards.
I am panicking because you don't know how much this costs to do. Just gotta take it slow.
It's the speed I work at.
No, it isn't. You know, I know the speed you work at. Right, welcome. So this is day, I don't know, 4 of this build, and I'm getting a little bit nervous because Christmas is not getting any further away. I have now today and tomorrow. Tomorrow if I need to, absolutely. Tomorrow's my birthday, so I reckon I might be a little bit preoccupied. So I'm hoping today to be able to get finished off. Have this cable, the gear cable, then I've got to fit the front brake and the seat, and then just tighten down the bolts, and that is that. Right then, finally getting to finishing off. So we've got the brakes in and done, cabling up, we've got the gears in and done. Handlebars need to be glued, might hold that minute. Cable runs in with the chromes in place. Temporary measure at this one until we can get some more chromes, but bearing in mind it's Christmas Eve tomorrow, not much chance of that. We've got the gears in place at the back, all connected up now. The only thing that remains, mud guards are in place. The only thing that remains now is getting the seat in place and the seat stem. So we have said seat there, so we're going to take that and actually get that installed. We're done. Right, we'll cover it up, and then 2 days left.
Yeah. Work a lot,
Yeah. Last day, and the final thing to fit. Look at that beauty. I'm going to keep the tags in place, and hopefully that, do you know what, that's going to be great with that.
Yeah.
It's going to rest against that metal. I thought I was going to have to cut that.
Yeah, I thought you were.
See if you can undo them and strap it on. Brand new hole. Pop the leather.
I'm hoping that's it.
Yay. So that's that then. All covered over. Ready for tomorrow. Done. Go and hide everything now and then get ready for the big day tomorrow. You've got them.
There's one here. Oh. Well done, Rosie.
Well done, Rosie.
Got it. What is this? Old and rusty. It's old and rusty. And then there's a new one. Oh, wait!
Do you want to come and see what we've been working on?
What? You're a total shocker. What is it? Is it a bike? It's a bike! It's never Mum's old bike, is it? Is it Mum's old bike?
Yep.
Bloody hell. And it has a basket to put Minnie in.
It does. I've done a complete restoration. Kept the original pedals so you know it's the original bike.
Yeah. A whole new seat. And
Yep. New brakes, new tyres. The rims are new, mudguards are new, but everything else is original.
What do you think, Minnie?
That's okay. She'll get used to it.
Bloody hell, Rich.
So sorry I've taken so long.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You said you wanted an old bike, and now you got one.
It's amazing, Rich. I would never have thought it possible, would you please?